Hey guys, welcome back to another session using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Today I'm looking at Ethereum, right? Because it's dropping like a rock, right? Few things to take note of, right? On a graphical perspective, there might be some sort of ascending support here. Not very nice, right? It looks like it's breaking out there, which is a trap, I feel, because there's this very, very key support level over here. Which I'm going to call this my buy entry. The reason why I'm looking at it is because there is a very nice negative 27 Fibonacci expansion. There's a very nice 138, right? So this is going to be my 138. This is going to be my negative 27, right? And this is going to be my, I have another one here, which should be my 161.8. All of it's kind of lining up there, right? And we also have another Fibonacci projection that should be my 78% projection. So all kind of lining up there, right? I do see that there's a nice little chance price is going to bounce from here, right? How high it's going to bounce? It's probably going to bounce up to this level here, right? And put this in green, signify it's a bounce, right? And I'll take profit would be slightly before this major level, right? This is going to be our take profit. In terms of our stop loss, right, we can put it just slightly below here. Decent 1 is to 1.5, 1 is to 2 kind of risk to reward, right, as a stop loss over here to play this bounce. Okay, simple enough trading strategy today, right? Really high probability setup. Looking to play a major bounce from this level, right? It should be enough to take a trade for the rest of the week. All right, that's it for me, guys. Remember to stay safe, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow for more high probability trading setups.